Hello guys, welcome to my mini vlog. Whew. Just now I finished wash blanket outside. It's very hot. And I want to cook some indomie for my breakfast. I want to cook this all. Just kidding. One piece for me is enough. So here we go. We will put water on. We open the gas. Oh, here we go. So we need to cover. You wait for maybe 5 minutes, or I don't know how many minutes will be boiled. So we're going to put 2 eggs. This one, 2 eggs, I'm going to mix there with this. Oh, it's not yet start boiling. So while I'm preparing my breakfast, I'm also prepare my lunch later, because later I'm so very busy now, so I don't have time to prepare my lunch. See, you know this? You know this in Filipino? We call this ampalaya. In English is bitter gourd? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe. See? I guess is okay now to put the eggs. Just a minute. See, I will put these 2 eggs. This is how it look. And after, I'm gonna put this. If the egg is little bit cooked, and then I'm going to put this now. Guys, parang hindi kasya sa akin ng isa. So, I want 2 packs. See? Maybe a few minutes, I'm going to remove the egg from the water. So, I guess, pwede ko nang ilagay si Indomie, guys. Ay, pwede na siguro. Hindi ko na siya tanggalin. So, the egg is little bit cooked. So, I want to put this now. I want to add. No need to remove the egg. See. Yay! Sometimes it's my breakfast is I'm really, 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 really hungry. So, I need to put 2 packs. 2. Oh, my cooking pot, it looks small, but it's okay. I guess it's me. Ay! Ay! So that's it. Oh, it's overflow. Wait. Paano ba to? So, ayan. Nagkasya naman. I'm going to cover. Ching. Careful. I don't want to get mess. This Indomie is not so bad. Just if you eat, not every day. Pwede na yung once a week. Ganon. Not, hindi pwede palagi kasi minsan talaga ang pagkain ng mga ganito instant noodles is you can cause a disease. You can get a disease. I mean, sorry. Me and my colleague at Emma, we eat only this maybe once a week, like that. Bilang housemaid or OFW as a housemaid dito sa ibang bansa, usually ito yung pantawid gutom nila, especially pag sa umaga. Pwede na rin pang dinner, ganun, you know. Kaya lahat ng nandiyan sa Pinas, Huwag niyong isipin na masasarap palagi ang aming kinakain. Tapos yung sahod namin, hindi lahat pare-parehas, no? Siyempre, pagkatulong, minsan may mamabang sahod, may mataas. Kaya yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-experience na mag-abroad, huwag niyong isipin, oh, maganda sa abroad. Pero hindi nyo lang alam, nandun na lahat ang danas. Especially kapag housemate ka, kapag medyo minalas ka sa amo, ma-experience mo lahat yung hindi mo na-experience dyan sa Pilipinas. So, ito lang payo ko sa inyo. If maganda yung buhay nyo dyan, at medyo nakakaraos naman, abay huwag nyo nang isiping mag-abroad pa. So, ayan, luto na yung Indomie ko. Ayoko nang masyadong overcook. Parang mahirap matunaw kasi sa tiyan pag overcook yung instant noodles na kinakain mo. So, kailangan sakto lang siya. So, this is how I cook my food, especially breakfast. See? Umusok pa yan, guys. Asa may usok? Ayun. So, ayan, guys. Nilalagay ko na yung spices. Yan lang yung spices. Saka ito. Budbud. Actually, hindi ko nilalagay yung sili kasi chili is not my favorite food. I don't like. See? Sa akin, okay na sa akin yung may powder at saka yun, mga toyo. Spicy food, it's not my appetite. I don't like. Masakit kasi yung tiyan ko pag may maanghang na may anghang akong nakakain. So, okay na sa akin to. Simple. Ito yung mantika. Pangit yung nila dito. Tingin mo. Parang paste lang. Hindi katulad dun sa atin, yung pancit canton. Talagang, tingin mo talaga toyo. Ito parang, hindi ko alam ano ba to. See? So, ayan yung finished product ko. I'm ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe me. Bye!